Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide taskbar in Windows 10. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. As you can see, this is the home screen of your Windows 10. To hide taskbar, you want to go to Start, which is on the left corner below, and then you want to go to Settings, and then you want to go to Personalization, which is on the first row, last option. Then on the left hand side you can see there are various options, and the very last option is Taskbar. You want to click on it. Now here are different options that you can edit your taskbar with. First is lock the taskbar. You can either lock it, and then there is automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. When you turn this on, the taskbar is hidden until you drag the mouse towards the bottom. The taskbar will appear, and when you drag the mouse upward, it will disappear. And then other thing is automatically hide taskbar in tablet mode. When you turn this on, it's the same thing. When the tablet mode is on, the taskbar will automatically hide. Then there is use small taskbar button. Click on it. So when you turn this on, the taskbar will appear very small than usual. You can see the difference right here. When I turn this off, it's large, and then when I turn this on, then it'll become really small. So it's your preference that you want to turn this on or off. Then use peek to preview the desktop when you move your mouse to the show button. I turn this on. When go to the desktop, the taskbar will be still, and when I turn this off, when I go to the desktop, it'll still be there. And other things you can manage as you want. And now you know how you can hide taskbar in desktop mode and other modes. That is all for today. This is how you hide taskbar in Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.